In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Calendly with Hubspot using the search feature, so you can automatically sync meetings and capture leads even if you don't see the integration option right away. First, log into your Hubspot account. At the top, click on the search bar and type Calendly. Click on the Calendly integration when it appears in the search results. Next, click Connect App. You'll be redirected to your Calendly account. Log in and authorize Hubspot to access your account. This allows Hubspot to pull in your event types, scheduled meetings, and invitee information. After connecting, check that your Calendly events are syncing correctly. You can map Calendly fields like name, email, and meeting type to your Hubspot contact properties. Now, every time someone schedules a meeting via Calendly, their information will automatically appear in Hubspot. That's it. Using the search bar makes it easy to find and connect integrations like Calendly, even if you can't see them in the menu. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for more HubSpot tutorials. See you in the next one.